being confident, just like in the title, is something that I think takes work, a lot of work to work at being confident. It doesn't come easy, right? And then when you get into the definition of what is it to be confident or have confidence in someone else. And for me, being confident is having that trust within my abilities and mindset to really tackle on any problems which life may throw at me. I set up this channel always to help people spiritually, in a life coach sense and manner. So I always like to throw in my own scenario of things, and for me to start to have that confidence within myself, start to absolve all those insecurities that you may have, assess them, see what they are, work on them. Once you really get to a good point of eliminating all those insecurities, the next step would be you're gonna be on a great path, really going well in life, and boom, there'll just be a trigger. And triggers could be anything from a place or remembrance or a certain type of maybe song or maybe a movie or whatever it is, and it brings you back to that point. That's where you need to have that whatever technique that you build to get rid of those insecurities, maintain it, and that way when the trigger comes, it goes right back out as fast as it came in. And that'll put you on a great path to having that confidence within yourself. Because you're going to notice that when you start to have that confidence within yourself, it's a lot more easier to move around and a lot less things affect you, and your adaptability skills are amazing because you learn how to adapt. You're not predictable. You're not doing the same patterns. Why? Because you broke free of what? Any insecurities that you had. You're not scared to achieve or accomplish anything and come out of that comfort zone. A good tip for me is when I used to look back in the mirror at certain points of my life, you have that confidence. You might have lows where it goes down and you feel like the whole world's on top of you. And no matter how much you try to get ahead, you just can't reach it. I'll tell you, just keep going. Eventually you will. Everybody's journey is different. I can't tell you where, if you're gonna reach it, or have you reached it already. So keep going at it so that every time you look at that mirror, you see the best version of yourself. You know when you need to get that confidence back up? When you start to see yourself dwindling in that mirror, not looking as healthy or the best version of yourself. Get rid of all those insecurities. Work on not letting any of those triggers affect you in any mannerism to bring back any of those thought processes or old patterns. Break free. Be unpredictable. Be adaptable. Have confidence in yourself and start to learn how to have confidence in others. And that starts first with trusting yourself. I Can by Rubey. Take care.